All right, I got the VOCOlinc Smart LED Desk Lamp. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. And I like VOCOlinc stuff. I actually have a VOCOlinc Smart Light Bulb that works pretty awesome. You can change all the colors around, do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Let me show you what you get with this. You get about a 4-foot cable. The actual lamp itself, which is, yeah, looks like comes some kind of stainless on here. It pivots, folds down like that. You can fold it up, set this anywhere you want. That kind of thing. If you wanted to, it's got all kinds of range of motion on here. And the cool thing, and one of the cool things about this is that it works with Google Home, Alexa, and Siri. And let me show you how this thing works. It comes with a set of instructions, and it is a smart app. So you can download the VOCOlinc app and set it up. I already had the VOCOlinc light bulb, so I already had the app done and set up. Sorry, so now I just added the light to it. It's really super simple. You don't need to use the app, but if you can, it gives you some options, which are pretty cool, and I'll show you those. So you have an on switch right here. Press it on, and you have a bunch of different modes. You can change the modes of different lighting that you want. There's like an orange, a bluish, soft, kind of bright, and there's actually a slider right here, so you can adjust the brightness of the lamp using a slider, or you can just touch it on the touchpad in various places, and it will adjust the brightness, which I think is pretty cool. Now going into the app, which is actually kind of fun, it's got all kinds of stuff on there. You got a countdown timer. There's a daylight setting thing in here, set it to change different colors at different times of the day. And it has a schedule on here, scheduling app, which I think is cool because you can put this in your bedroom and have it turn on at a certain time if you wanted to, and turn off at a certain time. And it actually has a wake up feature on here if you decide to turn it on, and it will start in a low mode and actually gradually increase its brightness to help you wake up in the morning. Honestly, it works great as a desk lamp. You know, if you're reading underneath it, if I got it this way, I could set it down if I got a book I'm reading or whatever, or some instructions. If I wanted to cast light over a larger area, I could do this. So if you're looking for a smart LED desk lamp that works with Google Home, Siri, or Alexa, and an app with all kinds of different features on it, check out this one by VOCOlinc. Check it out.